right here by the Rainbow Church, aka the Tip Loving Church. Oh yeah. Looks like this EX6R is Mad Dog, and she's like, bitch, you better speed up. Oh, quick. Yeah. So today I'm just out busting some bill paying ropes. And it's funny, every time I want to pay online, there's some shit happening, and when it's got my info involved, I'm like, I'll go ahead and kill two dickheads with one stone and go pay at the police. There's this cool place around here called the Green Cack, and you can go there and pay like your utility bills. Gotta pay utility bills. I could tell a little adjustment and everything that's done to this bike. She's running a lot smoother. Even the idle's a lot smoother and everything. Need to go make a trip again out to go see Suburban to Link Hunt and fucking arson rides again. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be right back. Chill. Chill.
That's the pottery that grows.
They're fun.
Yeah. They're green. Yeah.
They're the greatest things you've ever seen.
Yeah.
Soak your
Chill.
Spread the seeds, water, and watch it grow.
Chill.
I want a
Chill.
puppy for my school.
I want a
Chill.
guy for the office.
I want a
Chill.
tree with the color-changing starlight.
Chill.
Pets, the gift that grows.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Chill. A double chill. Chill. It's a chill-tastic day today. Chill. Damn it, I made my wrong turn at Albuquerque right there. Fuck. Let's catch some speed up ropes. Now it's time to pay an insurance payment. No, we gotta insure this shit. It is now time to go ahead and go to my insurance place and chiropractic and massage. Wonder if they massage your fucking goody hole. See if I trip them out by going in here with my helmet on. Oh fuck yeah. Oh my god, respect everyone's privacy, my dickhead. My fucking insurance guy's the coolest dude ever. I was showing him one of my videos with Tony Carbajal and shit, and the last one. How you doing? Oh man, I feel bad for those dudes at the senior center and shit. I'll give you some community service. You guys ever just like have that feeling where you don't want to be home, but then again, like you just live by a bunch of boring shit that you've been to a million times? AKA the mall and fucking other stupid shit. This is a dangerous intersection. People be popping right through there all the time. Excuse me, pardon me coming through. Porsches are right. Pardon me, buddy. Thank you. Let's go up the mountain a little bit and catch some view ropes real quick. I'll go up to my little view spot where we can catch some clean view ropes. And I'm gonna go ahead and do, since the bike's got a little refresher, once I get my new tires, we're gonna go ahead and do a little trip to Lake Arrowhead and Lake Gregory and shit up here. It's a nice little windy ass road, turns up the mountain all the way up to those beautiful ass places. Scenic as fuck. See Lake Gregory Regional Park, Highway 18 to Crestline Turnout. What up, buddy? Twisties, I love the fucking twisties. Such a clean day today. Let's see what Smokey the Bear says. Let's see, fire danger high today. Bitch, it's always high. Feels wrong with my clutch. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh shit, this bolt fell out right here that holds this brake bracket in. Oh shit. Fucking damn. That sucks, fucking massive donkey dick. That scared the fuck out of me. Look at what happens. Woo, woo. Damn. As long as I can get it in a higher gear and get home and put a bolt in this bitch. See if this will hold up at least. Well, I'm gonna enjoy a fucking nice view real quick before I head out. Look at this. This isn't even like a quarter way up, and this is how gorgeous it looks. You can see the Mansion Hill cunt right over there. And it is majestic as all shit, and I'm getting tangled up. Damn, that shit's pretty disappointing about the damn bike. I gotta go fix that shit real quick for sure. Alright, here we go, guys. We're gonna fucking go for this and see if that little fucking zip cunt's gonna work. Oh no. Oh no, that just snapped it right off. I think I'm a little shit fucked here. I need a metal piece in there because that ain't gonna do nothing. Damn, too bad that wouldn't fit in there. Ooh, a metal nail. Hopefully this will fucking work. Alright, we got it in third. Now I just gotta be able to take off in third. Let's hope so. If this was a 1000, it wouldn't be no problem. Yes. I have no down, well I can downshift, but I can't upshift, so I gotta be very, very careful to stay in this. Oh god, I can't upshift. Thankfully there's an auto zone at the bottom of the hill. Tony actually hooked me up with a factory fucking toolkit for this bike even while I was there. I totally forgot. Tony, you fucking saved me because I'm about to be able to buy a fucking bolt at AutoZone and be able to fix this. The bike's wanting me to go, bitch, shift the fucking bike. Man, she's gonna be ringing if I go any faster. I'm only cruising like 63 in third gear. At like 8K. Ooh, that'd be really shitty if the other bolt came off too at the same time. I hold this thing just comes off and starts dragging on the ground. I gotta be so careful. And what's funny is yesterday we went over those bolts even. Tony was like, those don't look like the real bolts for that, but I guess they're holding on, and sure enough. Gotta be lucky that bolt didn't get caught in my sprocket and chain or some shit and fuck me over. Fucking shit can happen anytime, man. Gonna go ahead and stop by Auto Cunt right here and try to get me a bolt and fix this shit. Oh shit, that third gear taken. Third gear's working. Oh shit, perfect. Can't stop, can't stop, can't stop, won't stop. Dun, dun, dun. Well guys, that's gonna go ahead and conclude today's video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the get out of that like button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, all the goodies. I'll see you guys later. And you guys have a real good day.
Yeah.